My name is Eva Reischl. I'm from Munich in Germany, and I'm postdoctoral fellow at the Helmholtz-Zentrum in München in the research unit of molecular epidemiology. We have been looking at the interaction between breastfeeding, which is an important nutritional factor in early life, and FATS gene variants, which are genes which process the fatty acids that are contained in the breast milk. Specifically, these genes they convert the precursor fatty acids in the breast milk and make the biologically important long-chain fatty acids like the DHA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid and which is considered to be important for neurodevelopment. We have found in Nutrimenti that actually carriers of certain variants of these genes benefit more or less from breastfeeding. And that means that there is an interaction, so the FATS genes modulate the effect of the breastfeeding on neurodevelopment. Currently, we're also looking at the interaction between fish intake and the FATS genetic variants, and we hope that this is a first step for more specific and individualized dietary recommendations, that all children benefit equally from dietary recommendations dependent on their genetic makeup. So nutrigenetics basically means the study of how genetic variants modulate the effect of nutrients on complex outcomes, like for example neurodevelopment, whereas nutrigenomics focuses on the effect of nutrients on gene activity. So both of these are relatively new fields of research, and both have the ultimate goal to find personalized nutrition strategies based on your genetic makeup. Within Nutrimenti, we have found that the maternal genotype during pregnancy and lactation is important for the fetal fatty acid supply during these important time points of development. So the genetic makeup of the mother determines how the fatty acid levels in the maternal tissues are, and in consequence also in the child tissues are. And by this we showed that in addition to nutrition, that genetics is also an important influence on the fatty acid supply of the child. The study of nutrigenetics is certainly one way of identifying the complex relationship between nutrition and genetics. And adds to the knowledge in addition to the pure genetic studies or to the pure nutritional studies. But there are also other fields of research which might be important in the next few years. For example, it is also known that nutrition acts on the epigenome, which is which includes modification of the DNA sequence and which determines how active your genes are in certain tissues, and therefore the epigenomics might be also a very important field of research within the next few years, in addition to nutritional, genetic and nutrigenetic science.